As I said, this ends in only one way,
Okay.
and that way is Congress voting to raise the debt ceiling so that the U.S. can pay all of our bills.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Took a few days away from posting, just to refresh. Then we're back into it, guys. We're gonna be crushing it with these videos. I'm gonna do my best to upload as many videos as possible. We got a lot to talk about in this video, and I'll spread it out into another couple videos as well, 2 videos as well, so you guys could get a breakdown in detail of all the recent things that have happened in the markets, that have happened with Tonic and Crow. It's gonna be a lot, guys, so please be sure to tune in and support these videos. Tonic is looking very bullish on the 24-hour, and as we could see on the 7-day, we see a nice rounded bottom. There's been a lot of FUD surrounding Tonic, with the change in rewards, but like I said, that will help the project to be more stable, and this is why we could see moves like this when the market overall starts to flip bullish, right? We're gonna get into it, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing, Tonic fam. Support content creators, support my previous videos as well. Now let's take a look at Tonic right now. 30,638 on the watch list. Numbers still growing. Just under $21 million in market cap, up 5.6% on the 24-hour. And like I said right here, guys, card just passed, my apologies, but like I said right here, we have a nice rounded bottom for Tonic, guys. That is very bullish. Rounded bottom patterns means nice moves to the upside, right? Look at this. This is a beautiful rounded bottom pattern on the 3-month and the 7-day. And we could see a move in Tonic right now, guys. I've been checking the community tab for CoinMarketCap for Tonic. Davo has remained bullish. I wonder how he's feeling about this move right now. Everyone that was fudding and seeing Tonic move to the upside, how are you feeling about the move to the upside, right? I hope all those who sold for small profits after paying the fees are unlimited purchasing, because you're gonna miss out and end up having to buy back at a higher price than what you sold it for. You were warned, stay strong and keep the faith. And right here, you were warned, stay strong and keep the faith. If you have a plan, stick to it, guys. I tell you guys all the time, I can't put it into words how many times I've missed out on so much gains because I didn't trust my plan and stick to it. Because you have to show conviction. You have to have that conviction in this space. Trust yourself, guys. I just got a brand new ledger. First thing I see when I open up the ledger, trust yourself. That's a card that was written in the ledger, guys. Trust yourself, trust your plan, stick to it, stick to your strategy, guys. I'm telling you. From Davo once again, I think we're at a point where nobody wants to predict where we're going from here. Slight flurry, and nobody wants to put their neck on the block for fear of getting it wrong. The Bears have ceased funding in case we rock it, and the Bulls won't say anything in case it drops right back down. We're looking right what we're having right here. We're having a nice reversal back to the upside for Tonic, guys. Like I've been saying, I think we're at the start of the bull. We recently had a correction. Let's compare with the big dog right here. We recently had a correction in Bitcoin because you can't go up forever, which I've been saying in my previous video since I last posted, right? And now we're seeing the correction turn around. What is Tonic doing? Look at Tonic and BTC. What is it doing, guys? It's following the lead market mover. When Bitcoin is going back to new all-time highs, Tonic will follow. I don't know why overall people think that is so impossible, right? That is not like, a probable thought, but it's right here in front of your eyes. Look at the charts. Look at Tonic compared to BTC, guys. Tonic is a fundamentally sound altcoin. I've said this time and time again. It has super strong fundamentals. Plus, they've reduced the emission rate of the amount of emissions into the open market. So there's not going to be as much coins that inflate the circulating supply, which is going to create more stability for Tonic. So when the market flips bullish, when the market is going bullish, Tonic will follow, Crow will follow. Let's see Tonic versus Crow right now. Exactly the same chart. Big brother big brother, little brother, especially on the 7-day and the 1-day. literally the same chart, guys. I'm telling you. Not so much on the 3-month, but on the 7-day and the 1-day, literally the same charts. Crow starts moving to the upside. Crow will onboard so many people to the space whenever, the retail investors are more confident in coming to the space. They will use the Cronos ecosystem, crypto.com, the platform, the brand, and it's gonna be super bullish, guys. Like I said, man, a lot of alts, it's the same thing, right? A lot of alts follow Bitcoin to a T, and that's what we're seeing right here. Bitcoin is starting to make a move back up, and we have that nice rounded bottom for Tonic. Tonic, however, since it's a lower cap altcoin, can make much bigger moves to the upside. The Tonic Twitter, they recently put out a tweet, right? 58.1k followers on Twitter. That number is growing. So many people are taking notice of Tonic. And what have I been preaching on the channel, guys? Take control of your finances with Tectonic Finance. Hashtag Tectonic Finance. Take control of your finances with Tectonic Finance. $32 trillion of national debt, and things will be just fine, and things won't change, and things won't, obviously reset. You have a next thing coming, guys. Gold and Bitcoin are pretty much hand in hand in the charts. When people talk about, preparing, I don't know about, preppers and stuff like that, but when people talk about preparing, being a prepper, watching for what is to come, a lot of people are looking at the DXY and saying this is not sustainable anymore. There's we could go into it in future videos, in the next couple of videos. I could show you guys the BRICS, where the BRICS is like a group of countries that include Russia and China, not doing their best not to depend on the US dollar anymore. America is one of the greatest countries ever. I'll say that for a fact, right? Even though I'm not born and raised, it is one of the greatest countries ever. But the leaders of the country have completely messed up things, especially for the average person, especially for people like me and you, the average person making an honest living, right? They have completely, they have completely crapped the bucket, guys. And this is no laughing matter at all. We could see, like, when there's the top economic forces or top economic countries stop relying on the US dollar, that will decrease its power, and that will cause it to fall, which will cause gold, which the US dollar was previously backed by. It's not backed by it anymore. What is it backed by? It's backed by nothing, right? When gold starts to go crazy, all the preppers are right. I told you to buy gold. Bitcoin will follow. Bitcoin's chart is the same as gold. Crypto will follow. When Bitcoin starts to go to 100k, 300k, 500k, I can show you guys a tweet from Robert Kiyosaki, and I'll break it down in the other two videos, right? So be sure to watch all the videos today. And when gold starts to go crazy, Bitcoin will follow, alts will follow, Tonic, Crow will follow. Say Steve recently tweeted me telling me, when's the next video? You got it, Say Steve. Shout outs to you. Shango. In fact, one of the upcoming ways we can use Tectonic is to take care of our finance through collaboration with Vino Finance by supplying and borrowing Elcro. Remember I told you guys about liquid staking derivatives? When that trend takes off, expect Tonic to have a lot of hype as well. Xtonic, the announcement, the hype. O'Neil, Soap Gods, this is Eyebrow, this is the one. Laurent, Tonic, Bobby H, man. Kenny at Tonic, when more listing incoming, man. It's gonna happen in the future. Helios just bought another 3 billies today. Love this gem. Kenny, Ricky, 100 on target, and just bought more Tonic from Millie. Gotta give all these people a follow when I get the chance, man. From Xtonic day 2, $100 vault to Tectonic 5. If I could earn more than prison wages a day, I'ma be winning. And that's how it goes, guys. Passive income is passive income. I know the rewards have, been cut, but you're still earning way more than you would ever earn in any bank, and that is a fact, right? Shout out to Xtonic, Zegomatic, Tonic community holding strong. I bought the dip. This was on, what day was this? This was on the 13th. He bought a dip on the 13th. He's smiling right now. Look at this. He literally bought the bottom of the dip. let me take this comparison off. Look at that. He bought the dip on the 13th. He already up some percentages right now. Shout out to Zegomatic, man. This is why you DCA into projects. If we go lower, you DCA, lower your average, and then when we start moving back up, it's like, oh, it's a good thing I DCA. I didn't really miss much. We have a video right here from Jerome Powell, chairman of the Fed. We're gonna go for a short video, guys, and he's talking about the debt ceiling and having to raise the debt ceiling, which means more printing of the money, the DXY tumbles, and crypto sends, right? Let's get into it.
So the debt limit is really something for the fiscal authorities to deal with. The Fed, our only role in this is that we're the fiscal agent of the Treasury Department. We're not a policymaker on that. And I will just say this. This really can only end one way, and that is with Congress raising the debt ceiling in a timely fashion so that the U.S. can pay all of its bills when and as due.
This can only end one way, guys. One way. Raising the debt ceiling. What happens when you raise the debt ceiling? The Fed can print. What happens when the Fed prints and adds liquidity to the market? Everything sends. You get rich, you get that life-changing gains, you get the financial freedom. The after effects won't matter to you because you're in crypto. When the financial systems change forever, you're protected, you're recession-proof.
That's what has to happen. And if that doesn't happen, no one should think that the Fed has the ability to shield the financial markets or the economy from the consequences of moving too slow.
So you don't have any program in place ready to go if, in fact, the debt limit isn't passed in time?
This is something that Congress has to deal with.
And the so-called $1 trillion gold coin solution is not one you're in favor of, I guess.
As I said, this ends in only one way,
okay.
And that way is Congress voting to raise the debt ceiling so that the U.S. can pay all of our bills.
Okay, in terms of consultation, but
it only ends one way, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Which side are you on? I know which side that I'm on, and I'm on the side of DeFi. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Like I said, it really means a lot, man. Saying Steve, tagging me on Twitter, asking for more videos really helps to keep me motivated. And, I truly appreciate all the support. 2 more videos coming. Be sure to check those out. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.